Hi, welcome to Automod. We're looking at the 2013 Mustang Shelby GT500. We installed a front splitter on this. And a side skirt. The side skirt and the splitter are made of steel, so it's a more sturdier material compared to the ones that they made in plastic. Okay, so if you want yours done, come over to Automod Racing. We are located at 44425 Sierra Highway, Lancaster, California 93534. And if I could ask you guys to like my page and subscribe, so you will see more of our work. Thank you for watching.